Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about what I believe is the best way to set up folders and documents in Scrivener for ease of use. There are many ways to use folders and documents within Scrivener. So what is the best way to do it? Well, there is no set best way, but I'm going to suggest the best way from my perspective and explain why. Here's my structure for the majority of my novels. I use a folder for the chapter and then have a sub-document for each scene. If I were writing non-fiction, I might have sub-documents. Fairly simple, right? This is why I keep it simple. When you go to compile formatting, for when you want to create your actual output document, you have to define what information is to be included for each level of folder and document. This looks easier than it is. Look at the highlighted sections in the binder as I click the different levels. As you can see, if you mix folders and documents at the same level in your manuscript, this can get extremely confusing. If I take away the two text documents at the top, it's a lot simpler. Think of it this way. The format is set for all documents or folders at that level. If they appear at different levels in your manuscript, you might have a tough time sorting things out. If you use the simple folder with documents inside, you always know that the folder has chapter formatting settings and documents have their individual text settings. So that's it for today. What I believe is the best way to set up your folders and documents in Scrivener for ease of use. I hope this has been useful. You might want to check out the playlist here for all the other Scrivener videos. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.